Genius Business Solutions. Solutions redefined.
What makes a great manufacturing organization great? Is it revenue? Is it market share? Or is it brand equity? We believe great manufacturing organizations are great because they can anticipate what their customers need even before they need it. Our purpose is to enable manufacturing organizations with capabilities that drive true innovation and operational excellence. This has driven us to double our clients, triple our employees, and double our revenues in just the last 3 years. But what we are most proud of are the long-lasting relationships we have with all our stakeholders. We are Genius Business Solutions, and we help top manufacturing organizations design, manufacture, and deliver superior products and services in the most efficient way through simple, reliable IT and engineering solutions. We invite organizations and individuals who share this belief to join us. Let us work together to innovate, build, progress, and redefine solutions. Genius Business Solutions. Solutions redefined.